Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be talking about making groups of 10. Sorry, my voice is a little scratchy. Mrs. Stewart's kind of losing her voice a little bit. So the thing we're going to do on the next few days of our worksheets is to count groups of 10 and then write how many that we counted in our box. So we're going to have some groups of 10, but we also might have some leftovers. So let's take a look at this first group. So if we pair these up, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 2 rows, 2 complete rows is 10. I don't have to keep counting those since I already know that every 2 rows is 10. So let's just keep circling 2 rows together like this. We're going to circle these. And then we're going to count. How many groups of 10 did we circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We circled 6 groups of 10. How many ones did we have left over? Did we have any ones left over? Nope, so we just put a 0. So if I have 6 groups of 10s and 0 ones, what number do I have? 60. Very good. Okay, let's look at the next one. This one, if we circle 2 rows together, that just has 1 10 and 0 ones left over. So what number is that? It's 10. Really good. Okay, this looks like a big one. So let's count. We're going to circle. Every time we have 2 rows, we're going to circle those together like this. All right, we're going to keep going. We have a lot of groups of 10s. Okay, so when I circle all those groups of 10s, let's go back and count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm going to put 10 here and a 0. And so how many is that? 100. Good job. All right, let's keep going down to the next one. Let's circle this one. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if I have 5 groups of 10, what number do I have? I have 50. Very good. Okay, let's keep going. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there were 4 groups of 10 and none left over, so we have 40. Good work today, boys and girls. That was excellent. If you look on the back, we just have our regular rocket math. There's lots of different strategies that you can use to solve these problems. And once you're finished, show your teacher and do your next thing.